It's a 2024 Rockwood Mini Lite 2205S as in Sam. It only weighs 5,100 pounds. If you're a guy with a half-ton truck, this is going to be your bread and butter right here. It's 23 feet 10 inches, so just shy of 24 foot. It's 8 feet wide. It only has one slide. Sleeps 2 people. But if you're looking for a travel trailer for you and the wife, I mean, look no further. This one here has kind of got it all, really. You got a little table mount here with a humongous pass-through storage.
Wow.
You can take one of those tables, slide it right on there when you're grilling out. You never run out of countertop space there. You do have your automatic awning with your LED lights on there. That way you guys can get blocked out from the sun. And a TV mount. I mean, you got an outdoor TV, you can watch the game, the whole nine with your outlets. They never run out of things to do outside. Kind of moving on inside here. This might be, as far as a smaller travel trailer goes, I really love this floor plan and the way they got it laid out. It just kind of compacts everything into one. So right behind you here, actually, you got a massive fridge. I mean, you're never going to run out of space there. And then maybe an even bigger sink. I mean, for a 23-foot travel trailer, I mean, they really took time to think about all the cooks in the family. So that way you don't have to worry about, we'll have to fix that later. all the things you have to worry about there. 3 top burner stove, still got your microwave, plenty of space for the kitchen appliances there. I mean, I'm a big fan of Rockwood for floor plans like this. You still got your space here for, you know, silverware, you know, whatever kitchen appliances you have. A massive deep storage here, so that way, you know, you got snacks, spices, the whole nine in there. You have plenty of space. And then a nice bathroom to go with it.
And one thing I like too about these Rockwoods, I mean, Rockwood's one of our best sellers, you know that, Wyatt. I mean, it's practical, it has everything you need, it's high end, it feels residential. One of the cool things that I like that Rockwood and a lot of the other manufacturers do is they put this little fireplace down in here. Okay, now a lot of people ask themselves, why would I need a fireplace outside of ambiance and things like that for a camper? Now, I'll speak from some experience on this. These fireplaces, they put out some heat. I mean, you get those kind of chilly nights, it gets down in the 50s and stuff, and you don't want to crank on the furnace and use propane and stuff. This will heat this unit. I mean, it really will. I do it in my camper all the time. I mean, when we don't want to throw the furnace on and we just want to heat a little bit, we'll just throw that on and it'll take the chill out of the air. But that's one of the things I like. It looks beautiful too. But other than that, tell us about a couple of the other things, right?
Yeah, I mean, you got a swivel mount TV here. So whether you're laying in bed, you want to cozy up, watch a good movie, you can just turn the TV right around there. You can see it from the bed. And then you may have thought, you know, well, there's only seats here. There's no dinette. No need to fear. Rockwood is here, right? They got your little tables here so you and the wife can still set up shop, have a dinner with a table, and you can just look straight forward and you can watch the TV. And then they give you more overhead storage here. I mean, you got your cup holders. If you guys want to lay down on it, you can absolutely do that.
There you go.
I mean, everything on these things is just electric, the whole nine. I mean, as much as you can think of. Moving over here, like, I mean, you do have a curtain here if you want to block yourself off. It kind of feels like its own little room. I mean, look at the nightstand space.
That's huge.
Right? Like, I mean, how many times have you been in a smaller camper? You roll over, you go to move your phone or anything, and you just knock it right off and you got to lean out of bed to grab it. There's plenty of table space here, USB chargers on the side with plenty of closet space there, overhead storage space. And then that curtain there will actually go up, so depending on where you're parked at, you can really get a lot of phenomenal sunlight coming through here. Natural lighting all throughout the camper in the morning to get you woke up. Or if you're not a morning person like some of us, you can leave it down and you don't have to squint your eyes while you're making breakfast, right? But I think that, I mean, anything else that I'm missing here, Dallas?
I mean, the biggest thing is Rockwood is a huge seller for us, and you can obviously see why that may be. The biggest thing with Rockwood is it's high quality. I mean, one of the things that camper owners gripe about and things like that is, hey, I got to fix this, I got to fix this, and those things will happen. But Rockwood tries to put the best quality they can in their campers. You can tell that just by the fit and finish of some of the things in here. It really is a high-end camper. People that kind of want to do some traveling, but don't want to go super huge, but still need all the amenities they have at home. That's one of the biggest things with Rockwood. Like I said, Rockwood's one of the best sellers in the country. It's always been one of our best sellers, and for obvious reasons. So other than that, I think that's pretty much it. Wyatt, I really appreciate you kind of showing us these campers and giving some knowledge to the customers and the people watching about some of the features in here and all the other campers and things like that. You're very knowledgeable on what you do and what you say. So really appreciate that with you guys. If you guys have any questions for Wyatt, give him a call. Wyatt, what's your extension up here at the office?
139.
139. So call up to the office, ask for Wyatt, ask for extension 139. If you don't get him, leave him a message. He'll call you right back. Wyatt will make sure he gets you taken care of. He'll make sure he gets you into the proper camper that helps you guys get what you want out of camping. I mean, that's one of the biggest things.